Howdy everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. What can I say? Today is the 25th of November. We are also at 48. Alright, so US is winding on down for their holidays, Thanksgiving, and let's get to the markets. Alright, so here's the markets here on Yahoo. You can see here we got some Dow, S&P down, Nasdaq's up 0.5%, Russell's down 1/3%. So again, there's no predictability here. It's really hard to predict these outside of what I'm going to show you with the harmonics. Crude's up. Okay, gold is up slightly. This thing's just kind of like going nowhere. You'll see that probably the charts. 10-year down almost 0.5%. Some other currencies just really not moving. Bitcoin's down 1 and then the Japanese Nikkei 225 was up 0.5%. So that's all fine and good. Now I want to show you, just so you know what we're dealing with, but I want to show you these crypto bots. This is the Kraken bot, and I'm not going to sit here and say anything, but I'll just highlight the number you want to know, which was from yesterday's return. Okay, net profit, which has been pretty strong. So I have to say I'm pretty happy with it. All I have to do is just take the difference. Here we are with up to this amount in total from one Bitcoin. That's how much Bitcoin's moved. The returns are like unreal. I'm not talking about it a lot. It did pretty good yesterday, so all the details are there if you want that. And again, if you need to know that, just go over to my blog, quantlabs.net/blog. Latest equity curves for cryptocurrency trading bot with an annual risk-free rate considered. Real markets, the mainstream markets. Well, let's find out. I'm going to go over to my MotiveWave. One last thing I forgot to mention, sale. Okay, let's get into the charts here, because I know you're just dying to see them. So these are the 4-hour charts. Okay, here we go. Silver. Oh man, this is rare. Silver is a long. We got two of them. XAG, XAGU. Okay, that's a short. XA. So we got two longs here. XAG Australia, two longs. Here, prices are target prices higher, so the Canadian dollar may be a maybe a long opportunity. Okay, and then we have a new one that has been around for a while, a couple of days now. It's the Euro Turkish Lira. That's a long. It's been moving up. That can be a risky trade because it is an exotic. I realize that. 10-year bond, long there. No surprises here. 30-year for the Treasury, 2-year, 5-year, all longs. You can see they're slightly moving up. It's just more of a stabilized trade. We get another strange one. Euro and Turkish Lira, and now the US dollar Turkish Lira. I don't know what's going on with winter coming on, colder weather, so we can expect that price to go up. You can see here from 240, if you were to go back here historically, October, this might be our low point here, 240, 247, and we might start to rise up to $33. So that might be a decent little trade based on a seasonal trade. That's a not a brain scientist needs to figure that out. It's there. Pay attention to it, but I wouldn't trade it. This one's been doing good, but you can see it's been faltering. Australia, New Zealand. So this one looked really strong 2 days ago. All on it. Okay, British pound. I'm not going to sit and wait. Oh, there we go. So, hold on. That was a long there. That's the British pound against the New Zealand. New Zealand's been fairly strong lately. Canadian dollar, it's a short. Now here's one as well. The US dollar, Japanese yen. That's been staying in there as well. This one's come off a bit. You can see, which is the US dollar against the Swiss franc. This is on call there, but I wouldn't take it. This one I would. This is a gold silver. The market's tanked. This is a place to go. as a gold-silver ratio. Gold, Canada. Sorry, that's silver against Canada, silver against the there. Along Australia, New Zealand, it's just not as convincing as it was 2 days ago. This one's been fairly weak, but you can see here it's got a long wick there, but it's calling for a short. This one's interesting. I do like this trade. Euro against the Hungarian, so Hungary's doing something right. Hong Kong 33, short. I don't know about this one. I don't think I'd be focusing on that. Hong Kong Japanese yen, short. That's a long. We've got some more Asian calls here in Singapore dollars. All shorts. UK 100, the markets pointing down. That's a short. Again here now. Now here's where it gets interesting. This is what I look for. Okay, we have the US 2000, the Russell. It's got a short call, so don't expect this to shoot up. It did for a little while as soon as Biden came in and was announced. Oil, this may go up around the oil price, pretty predictable. Another long call in the USD, CHF. Another one, same thing with the Japanese yen. Now this one I've said before, interesting to watch is sugar, but it's come down a bit more than it should have. So it may be starting to weaken there. Wheat, look at that big drop. It had a big drop, move up and a big drop. So these are too volatile. I'd stay away from these until you start to see more solid, excessive. That tells me that somebody's trying to somehow manipulate the trade. You can see here the volume is right here, just before the actual price move. So somebody's trying to do some monkey business with that. That's for sure. On wheat USD. Now remember, this is a CFD, so they can probably get away with it on Oanda. CHF Hong Kong, that good with the amount of short calls I've seen. New Zealand, Australia, Swiss franc, same. So now we're moving into the good. I don't see any comments at all, so I'll terminate this stream for now. Thanks for watching. Keep your eyes out on some other funky stuff, and we shall talk to you later. Have a good day. Later.